In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to multiple users in Outlook Microsoft. We'll start with Outlook on the web. This is the simplest way to forward every incoming message automatically. Click the gear icon to open Settings. Then select Mail and choose Forwarding. Turn on Enable Forwarding. In the forwarding box, type the email addresses you want to receive the messages. If your organization uses a distribution group, you can enter that address instead, so you don't have to manage a long list of people. Make sure you select Keep a copy of forwarded messages so the originals stay in your mailbox for easy tracking and search. Save your changes. From now on, new messages will forward automatically. If you don't see the forwarding option, your organization may have it restricted. So check with your admin. Next, let's create an automatic forwarding rule in Classic Outlook on your computer. Go to File, then Manage Rules and Alerts, and choose New Rule. Start from a blank rule by selecting Apply Rule on messages I receive. And click Next. On the conditions screen, don't select anything. Click Next, and when prompted, choose Yes to apply the rule to all incoming messages. Now select Forward it to People or Public Group. In the rule description, click the underlined People or Public Group link and in the To field add multiple email addresses separated by semicolons. Click OK, then move through the wizard. If you don't need exceptions, click Next, then Finish to activate the rule. Confirm the rule is checked. And if you have other rules, move it higher so it runs first. Note that some forwarding rules only run when Outlook is open. If you are forwarding outside your organization, policies may block it. So test and adjust if needed. Finally, for one-off messages, forward an individual email. Open the message, click Forward, and in the To field enter multiple email addresses. Separated by commas or semicolons, then send. This is great when you don't need ongoing automation. That's it. Thanks for watching.